Dear friends, I am Amel, A-M-E-L, from TBI 1D. Let's learn how to pronounce sound E, E, A, and R. Start from E and E. You have to sit in the seat. You have to sit in the seat. Sit and seat. Giant eat an ice cream and it looks so sweet. Giant eat an ice cream and it looks so sweet. Eat and eat. He was asleep when I sleep. He was asleep when I sleep. Sleep and sleep. He hit an heat iron. He hit an heat iron. Hit and heat. I feel stomachache when I feel a lot of food. I feel stomachache when I feel a lot of food. Don't piss on a wall of peace. Don't piss on a wall of peace. Peace and peace. She is lazy to read. She is lazy to read. Lazy and read. I reach my happiness in my life. I reach my happiness in my life. Reach and happiness. Now A and A. I met my classmate. I met my classmate. Met and mate. Mrs. Turner get a pair of gate grass. Mr. Turner get a pair of gate grass. Get and gate. Whale or shark are dangerous. Whale or shark are dangerous. Whale and whale. Don't let your student come late. Don't let your student come late. Let and late. Her dress became wet because she didn't wait the rain stop. Her dress became wet because she didn't wait the rain stop. Wet and wait. That store sell a lot of dress sale. That store sell a lot of dress sale. Sell and sale. Mother always tell a legend tale. Mother always tell a legend tale. Tell and tale. In a blade of grass there are a lot of bled. In a blade of grass there are a lot of bled. Blade and bled. Next, Saint always send a gift. Saint always send a gift. Saint always send a gift. Saint and send. Next, Rubber was a red house. Rubber was a red house. Red and red. I hope everyone knows the true ways. I hope everyone knows the true ways. Everyone and way. Everyone and way. God bless you for your pray. God bless you for your pray. Bless and pray. And the next is E and R. That stone will sink in the sea. That stone will sink in the sea. Sink and sea. Fish swam around the ocean. Fish swam around the ocean. Fish and swam. Next, there are a sack of feet. There are a sack of feet. Sack of feet. I stabbed someone with sheaf. I stabbed someone with sheaf. Stab and sheaf. She kissed the cat. She kissed the cat. Kissed and cat. I feel so sad when I see he's sick. I feel so sad when I see he's sick. Sad and see. Sad and see. Next, I saw a big elephant in the zoo. I saw a big elephant in the zoo. Big and elephant. Next, my father drank a cup of tea. My father drank a cup of tea. Drink and tea. And the last one is when I slept, he laughed. When I slept, he laughed. Slept and laughed. And that's all. Learn how to pronounce sound E, A, and R. Thank you for your attention. I'm Amel, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.